Hi, I'm Ken Rockwell with KenRockwell.tv and KenRockwell.com. I have my new Olympus, now called OM system, Zuiko Pro, 12 to 40 millimeter f2.8 Pro 2, the new one. Let's see what we get in our box. Let's take a look at the box. What's there to learn here? We've got UPCs. We've actually got a serial sticker with the serial number. Tells us it takes 62 millimeter filters. Tell us anything interesting, like where it's made. Here's the bottom. What do we say here? Made in Vietnam. Assorted certification. Let's see what we get. Okay, we've got something that claims to be a warranty card, but in fact, it's a multi-folding 100 languages. It's got our serial number. That's good. We've got an instruction manual. This is a nice little booklet, and it's got a lot of different languages. Fold out instructions like that. Very good. Let's see, what do we get for our lens? We get a little courtesy sack. I never quite figured those out. Remember the days you used to get a full grain leather case with lenses like this. On the other hand, those lenses would last for generations. They never went obsolete. They weren't electronic like these products today. Okay. Foam. Here's our little lens. Okay, it's got a mixture of plastic cap. Oh, that looks nice. This is all plastic. Is it mechanical zoom? Yes. Plastic barrel. Trim ring here is metal. Focus feels like metal. Zoom feels like metal. Metal rear barrel. Look at that. It's even engraved there. That's nice. This is just anodized aluminum here. Here's our various certifications. Here's our mount. Oh, isn't that cute? We've also got a plastic hood. Nothing that exciting. Let's take a look at it. Zoom lenses, hoods don't really make much of a difference. It's got an interlock. It's got a lock there. That's cool. And that's it. That's what you get with an OM system, 12 to 40 millimeter f2.8 Pro 2. Thanks again for watching Ken Rockwell and KenRockwell.com. And this is not a review. This is just a quick look-see into the box. Thank you very much for watching.